Exercise number 2.5, question number 5. Solve 3t minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Here variable is t, that is present on both sides of equality sign. Solving means find the value of unknown quantity. So t value we have to find in this question. To find that, what we will do in solution, take the question once again in the first step. After that, all t terms are one side, constants are another side. Here 2 by 3 is only one constant that is present in RHS, so don't disturb this one. Only my t term is here, t term is here, t term is here. So here 1, 2, 3. So 3 terms. These two are in LHS, but this only one term is RHS. What you wanted to do, this minus t you transpose to LHS, so that all the t terms are together and constant is one side. Constant will be separated. So minus t, if you transpose to LHS, it will become as plus t, and remaining two fractions as it is you write with the sign. 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 minus t will comes to this side, plus t is equals to 2 by 3. Just you concentrate on LHS. Left hand side of equality sign, what is there? One fraction minus another fraction plus this is not fraction, so that you can convert it as fraction by keeping 1 as denominator. T by 1 is nothing but t only. Observe, fractions between here minus symbol is there, in these two fractions between you are having plus symbol is there. So altogether we are having minus symbol plus symbol means LCM of denominators we have to find. So denominators are 4, 3, 1. LCM of 4, 3, 1 is 12. 4, 3, 1 LCM is 12. 4 became as 12 means by multiplying with 3. So this is multiplied with 3 means this also, this entire 3t minus 2. If denominator is multiplied with 3, numerator also multiplied with 3. So you will get 3 into 3t minus 2. Don't forget to put bracket. Reason, 3 should be multiplied entire numerator, but numerator consisting of 3t is one term and minus 2 is another term. Both the terms you keep in bracket to make it as single number, so multiplied with 3. Same concept is applicable here also. Minus will be minus. 3 became as 12 means into 4. So if this is denominator is multiplied with 4, numerator also multiplied with the 4. So minus 4 into 2t minus 2t plus 3. Minus will be minus. Now here plus means plus only. 1 became as 12. So by multiplying with the 12, so into 12. If this is multiplied with 12, this t also multiplied with 12. 12 into t is nothing but 12t is equal to right hand side no change 2 by 3 only. Now simplification of brackets. 3 into 3t minus 2. Observe, 3 is multiplying 3t as well as minus 2. 3 into 3t, 3 into 3 is 9t plus this is plus 3 only, plus into minus, plus bracket means multiplication, plus into minus is plus into minus, this minus is minus 3 into 2, 6. When you are multiplying, we are multiplying the symbols first, after that numbers. This is minus, 4 is multiplying, minus 4 is multiplying with 2t plus 3. Minus 4 into, bracket means into, minus 4 into plus 2t. Minus into plus is minus, 4 into 2 is 8, and for this t, t. Next, minus into plus is minus, 4 into 3. 4 into 2t is 8t, 4 into 3 is 12, and symbols when you are multiplying, minus into plus is minus, minus into plus is minus. Plus 12t, same, divided by 12 is equal to 2 by 3. Again, now brackets are simplified. You observe this step. T terms only you consider. 9t minus 8t is 1t. 9 minus 8 is 1. So 1t plus 12t. So 1 plus 12 is 13. So 13t. All t terms you will get it as 13t. Minus 6 minus 12. Minus 6 minus 12 is minus 18. And this divided by 12 is equal to 2 by 3. Now this side numbers are there. This 12 is dividing. If it is transposed to right hand side, it will multiply this 2 by 3. So 13t minus 18 is equal to 2 by 3 into 12. So 3 one time, 3 4 times 12. 2 by 1 is 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is 8. So right side you will get 8 only. Left side 13t minus 18. Next you transpose this minus 18 to right hand side. It will become as 13t is equal to 8 will be 8. Minus 18 is transposed to one side to another side. It will become as plus 18. Negative will become as positive. 8 plus 18 is nothing but 26, which is equals to 13t. 13t means 13 into t, but you want only t. You don't want this 13. So 13 is multiplying. If you transpose to RHS, it will divide this 26. So 26 divided by 13, which is equals to t. 13 table. 13 1 time 13. 13 2 times is 26. So 2 by 1 is nothing but 2, which is equal to t. So t is equals to 2. T value. T is unknown. That unknown value is 2 only. So solving is done. If your answer is correct or not, checking process, substitute this t value equal to 2 in LHS 2 terms and also RHS. Both the answers will be same, so that your answer t equal to 2 will be correct.